Exhibition game lang tayo mga brother. Ano lang namin yung game natin is for camaraderie. Show your yung talent at yung attitude kasi sa basketball. Talaga namin sila-tolerate yung attitude. Yung talent sa iyo, tayo dyan. Sa ganun lang, enjoy natin yung game, anything. Bigay namin yung game sa inyo, yung play nyo, bigay nyo yung nakakasama. Bigay natin yung magandang laro ito. Sayang yung pinagano nila, uwi nila, pero lang yatas namin. Anything na concern about sa play, captain ko lang, team captain lang ang interview namin. Kung may concern kayo, parating nyo sa team captain lang sa dami sa para hindi tayo tumagal sila. So yun lang, good luck.
Alright. First five for All-Star. Carmen Padilla, Alan Manta, Mark Letterfield, Jericho Sarmiento, and Ryan Bakay. For Cougars, Darren Abu, Alvin Nagad, Jimmy Entig, Ramon Acopio, and Arvin Vicente. Good luck, guys.
Check out naman. Sa ibang tao yun, nakakasi kasi parang kaya mayroong huli. Laro nga lang. Ito. Ulo ba? Laro ba? Nakuha. Bigay mo lang under, takbo agad baba. Pagkababa, hanap tao. Pag bakante, tira. Sige, unit kayo mamaya sa itang tao. Takbo na tayo ng takbo. Go! Lalo, Pilipinas!
Abu, wait, pass number 16, looking for an open hand. Pass to 2, and good. Rebound, Bakay. Bakay, pass to Manta. Manta to number 14, to Bakay. Bakay with a shot, but there's no reason. Number 27, Bakay from the 15-foot line, first attempt. Not good. Second attempt. Number 1. And ball of Vicente to Abog. Abog is now controlling the ball. Looking for his second. Vicente drives. Good rebound of Padilla. Padilla. To Bakay, back to guard number 26. Padilla rejected. Number 26 goes pass to Abog. Abog turn around. Pass number 6 and back. Is that not good? Abog break. Aga. Clear back to Manta. To clear again. Clear to Bakay. Bakay push the 3. Not good. Rebound in check. In the guard on Sarmiento. Intercept. Manta. Tries to answer 2. Inbound intake to Abog. Lamang na. Abog guiding Manta. Abog looking for an open run. To number 16. To Agag. Paludaman check. To answer 2. Mata, guard on Acopio. Pass to clear, number 77. Push the 2. Too strong. And they on number 26. Agag to Abog. Batik pasok, Carpio for 2. What a nice play. By Carpio on Abog. Mata, harap ng number 15, Abog. Bata, pass to Bakay. Bakay to number 20, Sarmiento, fake. Rejected. Sarmiento from the 15-foot line. First attempt. Too strong. Sorry. A running score 3 against 4 in favor of Cougars. Second attempt, not good again. Baldinor, number 27. Joseph, but there's a traveling violation. Bakay, Rasunabo, and Baldinor. Top class committed by Baldinor, number 27. Some coming rep. Pumasok ang gustong pumasok. Clear to Mata. Butterfly, not good. Intercept number 18. And intercept Ibarra to number 9. Long pass to number 27, using the glass, short. Rebound of Padilla, but there's a whistle. Bakay. Bakay to Padilla. Padilla drives using the glass, too strong. Number 6. Number 6 to number 27. Number 27. Magic pass to number 9. Number 9 fires. Connect for 2. Panis Kabay. What a nice play between Cougars team. Inbound number 22 to Manta. Pass to Carmel. Carmel drives, uses his body. But not good. Sorry. Rebound number 26 to number 27. Number 27 Harasong Manta. To number 9 Mapunga. Thank you for watching. Manta, guard on number 27 to Padilla. Padilla to Clear. Clear, power move. Short. Ball goes. Number 5 to number 27. Number 27 to number 6. Intercept. Rejected. Amoy Guma. Number 27 jump. Short. Offensive rebound number, I don't know who's that man. Good for 2. Number 6 from Cougars. Manta, but there's a reason. Foul committed by number 6. 13 foul Cougars, and first personal foul number 6. Intercept, pass to number 6. Tinahan, and good. Offensive rebound of number 27. Number 27 first. Foul rejected. Amoy Guma. Nangangamoy Guma. Look pass to Clear. Clear using the glass, not good. Rebound number 18. Number 18, look pass to number 7. To number 5, using the glass, in and out, but a basket. Good for 2. Padilla to number 9. Inbound number 18, number 27. Number 27 is now controlling the ball. Number 27, magic pass to number 5. Undershot, not good. Intercept number 8 and push that 3 to short. 6 minutes and 5 seconds, I mean. Rebound Clear. Clear to Padilla. Padilla drive, but there's a whistle. Kabay, push the 3. Not good. Top pass on Padilla. So now ball goes to Cougars team. Number 5. Traveling variation again. Mahilig sa biyahe ito. Kababay. Bounce pass to Manta. Back to Kababay. To Padilla. Padilla jump. Not good. Rebound. Big man again. Connect for 2. And Bibian. Sa kanan.
Bobawan.
Guard on number 7. One was not red. Offensive foul committed by number 6. Sub coming. Number 6 out. Rika Frank. Number 15 in. Number 9. Fires not good. Rebound number 5 looking for an open man. Sub coming. Manta out. Kapitan in. Padilla out. Barsaga Lodi. Inbound Dagangan. Dagangan guard on Kapitan. Hindi ko makita. Maraming pan. Push that in, not good. Rebound number 9 to Barsaga. Barsaga to Kapitan. Kapitan guard number 9, Mabunga. To Kababay. Malinis pa sa puti. Not good. Rebound Dagangan. Dagangan Nizap to number 2. Number 9.
Wow.
Guard number 9 to Barsaga. Barsaga drive. May kasamang pa. Barsaga from the 15-foot line. First attempt. Not good. Rebound on Gibara. Gibara to Rica Frente. Rica Frente to Vergara. Vergara looking for an open man. Top class of number 9. XT off. Running score 7 against 12. And the remaining time 4 minutes and 28 seconds. For the first period game. Abu. Torinson too strong. Inbound number 18 to Abuk. Abuk. Easy plan. 10 seconds to shoot. Abuk drives. Ball goes to. Hindi nga natin makita. Mekmek. Rejected. Boo. Amoy Guma. Fires for Kababay. Binawi ni Kababay. Good for 2 by Kababay. Abog. Abog to number 5. Hindi namin makita. To Gibara. But there's a whistle. A 3 seconds violation. Kapitan. Looking for him now. Pass to Barsaga. Push that 3 short. Rebound on Big Man. But there's a whistle. Who's for it? Foul committed by 0-2. Second personal foul, Vicente. Bonus through. Kayapan from the 15-foot line. Nothing but net. Running score, deadlock. Abo. Abo to the final. Back to Abo. Abo to number 26. Agag for 3. Bang! Good for 3. Agag. Gaga. Number 9. Push that 3. Too strong. Kababay follows up. Good for 2. Number 26 to Abo. Abo to Ribino. Di ko makita. Bahala na kayo dyan. Follows up. Backer goes up. Push power up. Foul committed by first attempt. Connect for 1. Stop coming. A complete 2. Kapitan Harasong Abug. Kapitan Abug Madali. Pass to Bok. To number 22. Push a 3 short. Rebound of Big Man. Big Man. Turnaround out, not good. Big Man again. But a basket. Big Man, first attempt. Bonus throw. Sub coming. Intake in. Ribino out. Vicente push the three. The strong rebound of Kapitan. Kapitan to number 23. Using the glass. Bang! Good for two. There is no answer. There is an answer. Abog to Agag. To number 11. Guard on Big Man. And there's an indication. Ball goes to Kapitan fires short. Top last. Vicente, symbol. 2 minutes and 30 seconds the remaining time for the first period of the game. And a running score 19 against 17. Change flavor. Kayapan to walk. Magic pass number 23. Push the three. Not good. Rebound number 2. Vicente to Abog. Abog to number 11. That's good. But there's a reason. A holding foul. First attempt. Not good. Sorry. Second attempt. 5-4-1. Impact. So Abog. Magic pass with an communication to number 23. Nagmamalig. Rejected. Sub coming. Ano yun, Rep? Top plus na yun, top plus. Okay. Bata, fake. Twice against Kumabe. Number 12 again. First personal foul. Intake.
Padak muna. Intake, labas. Ano daw? Intake. Tatlo ka na.
Mata, first attempt. Walang sabit. Suns. Second attempt, not good. Symbol. Kababay for number 4. Not good. Rebound Barsaga follows up, but there's a whistle again. Gibara. Gibara got first personal foul.
Relax.
Prinsip rebound ng Manta. Manta to Kababay. Kababay back to Manta. Barsaga push the three. Not good. One minute and 40 seconds. The remaining time for the first period. Agag push the three. Short. Rebound number 33 to Manta. Manta, harassment number 24. Manta flies, not good. Rebound number 26 to Agag. Agag number 5. to Guevara. Guevara push that through, not good. Rebound on Kababay. Kababay using the glass, connects for 2. Magic shot. Connect for 2 again. Rebound on Barsaga. Barsaga to number 4. Manta. Pass to Kababay. Kababay guard on number 6. Wait. 10 seconds shoot. Good for 3. Agad. Agad to number 10. A good rebound on Bizarre. Calling for 2. Mata push the 3. Not good, follows up number 4. Connect for 2.
Nice, mate!
No pass, but a miscommunication. 20.6 seconds remaining, no more shot clock. 15 seconds remaining, no more shot clock. 10 seconds remaining. Kababay, but there's a whistle. Foul number 2. I mean 24. Foul number 24. Kababay from the 15-foot line, first attempt. 6.8 seconds remaining. Again, 6.8 seconds remaining. I mean 1. Agad 4. Okay, back to the blue team. Number 18 to clear. Back to number 18 to Padilla. Padilla, you power move. Pinsip rebound on Clear. Clear using the glass to strong again. Rebound on Calvo. Calvo to Abo. Abo can't mamadali. Guard on Kapitan. Magic pass of Vicente. And magic shot. Not good. Rebound on Padilla. Sarmiento. Sarmiento to Clear. Putting for 2.
Nice ball, nice ball!
Mabunga. Not good. Calvo. Calvo. Use power move. Top last. Sorry. Carmel, power move again, not good. PC Primo Clear follows up, but there's a reason. Foul number 6, a pushing foul. Foul up of shooting, 2 throws coming. And now Clear from the 15-foot line, first attempt, connect for 1. Third personal. Calvo got third personal foul. Abog magic shot rejected. Palzabo Mabunga, too strong. Rebound on Clear. Abog binigyan. Going for 2. Abog to Vicente. Vicente push that through. Short. Clear. To number 9. XTO. Now controlling the ball. Mr. Yoso to Mekmek. To Carmel. Push that through. Not good. Rebound of Mabunga. Mabunga to Abog. Abog. Who's foul rep? Foul number 9. Sub coming rep. She got personal foul. Alimon. Pass number Rica Franca for 3. Sorry. Foul again. Foul number 9. Number 14, Abog. Sorry, number 14, number 14. First personal foul committed by Abog. Padilla. Power move again, connect for 2. Number 7, intercept of Kapitan. Sub coming. Cup. Di ka lang pwede maging player, pwede ka pang maging artista. Running score 36 against 21 in favor of regular all-star. Abo push that 3 short. Wala kaming makita. Mata to Ray. Bakay using the glass, good for 2. So, tinang, bilis tumakbo ni sir. Number 26. Agag from the 15-foot line. First attempt. Connect for 1. Wala. Rebound of Manta. Manta to Kabagay. To Creer. Creer intercept number 15. Number 15 looking for an open man. Pass to number 7. Long pass to communication. Now Kababa is controlling the ball. Pass to Creer. Creer jump. Not good. Rebound on Agag. Agag to number 7. To Abog. Abog to Agag. Agag, power move. But a basket. Bonus through on it, good. PG Primo number 9. Rejected on Manta. Mata to Kababay. Magic shot, not good. PG Primo no Kababay. Turn around. Not good again. Rebound number 26. Harassment number 7. Mabunga to Alimon. Alimon fires, going for 2. Manta fires. That's an answer. 6 minutes and 18 seconds. The remaining time for the second period. Running score 40 against 26. Rebound Bagay to Kababay to Manta. Easy shot. Good for 2. Abog to Alimon. To number 26. Push the 3 to Strong. Kababay long pass to Manta. Back to Kababay. Kababay is now controlling the ball. To Creer. Creer drives. Not good. Shot clock reset to 14. Number 26. Leads up, not good again. Mata. Traveling position, sub coming. Timeout, Cougars. Back to the ball game. Inbound number 5. To number 27. Number 27. Enter table player to Kababay. Go for 2. Baldinor. That's good. Visible of Baldinor to number 26. Not good again. Ang anak nyo. Ball goes to All-Star. Maalat pa sa dagat. Manta to Kababay. Kababay to Crayer. Crayer looking for an open man. Back to Kababay to Manta. Manta, harassment number 5. Manta fly. Not good. Kinagat. Foul number 11. Vergara. Walang sub coming. Walang sinabi si Big Man. Misteryoso to Kababay. Kababay to Manta. To Bakay. Nagtulakan. Habal-habot. Number 26. Number 11. Number 18. Correct for 2. Misteryoso to Bakay. Bakay. In and out. Rebound number 26. Number 26, number 11, using the glass, 22. Long pass to Big Man. Big Man drives. Not good. Big Man follows up, but there's a reason. Sub coming. Agag. Number 26. Yung second. 4 minutes and 15 seconds, the remaining time for the second period of the game. Second attempt, not good. Offensive rebound of Kayapan. Kayapan, magic pass to Boss Lodi. Panis Kabay. Bang bang. Baldinor.
Oy, traveling.
What was that? Ano yun? Foul number 17. Penalty. Hindi naman ba yun? Second attempt, 20-for-1. Manta. Manta harassment number 5, number 27. Sub coming. Manta out. Make in. Baldinor. Now controlling ball, looking for his open man. Push a too short. Follows up. Not good. Rebound of Big Man. Puro rebound ng box out. Kababay. Goodbye. Connect for 2. Calvo. Calvo. Amazing medication. Running score 49 against 31. Foul committed by number 7. Holding foul. Sub coming. Sub coming rep.
Free throw ba? Free throw?
Tawagin nyo na lang kung sino gusto niya palitan. Penalty. Baldinor from the 15-foot line. First attempt. Going home. Perfect 2. Abog in, Baltimore out. Running score 49 against 33. Kampaba ito Boss Lodi. Boss Lodi looking for a man. Pasok Kapitan, magic pass number 9. Easy shot. What a basket. Abog. Abog body shot. Rejected. Boom. Idol Boss Lodi. Kalabaw lang ang napapagod. Abog. Abog pa number 16, too strong. Good. Abog. Abog jump, short again. Kababay. To Barsaga Boss Lodi. There's foul. Foul number 14, pushing foul. Penalty. Third personal foul committed by Abog. 14. Abog. Magic shot. Basket count. Panis Kabay. Foul number 9. Sub coming. Upper mid-3 committed by Abog. Top left.
Tignan left. Tignan.
Dito nag-inbound. Sa kabilang bayan tumanggap.
Dito naman tayo sa loob. Bawal ka na dito magpasa. Adol, bawal na siya. Bawal na yan.
Abog. Abog to Calvo. A miscommunication again. Two minutes and 10 seconds.
Seconds shot na masok ang kabila. Ang seconds idol, 16 shot lang dapat. Kasi 40 tayo.
Intercept. Abog. Micmac to Big Man. To number 2. To Calvo. Push through, follows up with Calvo, connect with 2. 1 minute and 42 seconds.
Pasok mo si Mangka para may magdadala.
Intercept number 9, Magbunga. To number 6, but there's a risk. Number 9, push attempt, connect with 1.
Isa lang. Sulong yung wag na kayo mag-store.
Magbunga. Second attempt, that's good. Power rebound of Padilla. Connect for 1. Hindi, tama yung desisyon, tama. Ako na nagsabi, tama yung desisyon. Abog. Abog to agag push up 3. Bang! Panis kamay.
Dalawa.
Kababay to Mata. But there's a whistle. Mata. For the time, connect for 1.
Hindi naman masama siguro magtanong, di ba? Tama naman yung hindi. Okay na. Nilinaw na. Okay na. Tinatanong lang. Hindi. Okay na ng referee. Okay na.
Second attempt. Oh, rebound of number 9, Mabunga. To Abog. Abog na bumalik. Lamok. First attempt. Nice shot, bro.
Isa ka.
Two. 42 seconds. Low pass to the market. Good market drive. That's good. Iusog natin. Walang problema yan. Just relax. Push your knee. God bless. Lumabas na rin. Padilla. Nagmamadali. Lays up. Correct for 2. Court-to-court play. Rick Carpio. Harasong Padilla. Rick Carpio. To Mabunga. Five. Follows up. At the box is down.
Hey, set mo, para hindi.
15.4 seconds remaining. Bonus throw, not good. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tag-iisa tayo!
Bottom number 9 to make bottom number 9 using his last connect for 2. And then long pass to Rica Franca. Rica Frente, sorry, Vicente. Intercept of Mata fly, connect for 2. The gun to Vicente push the 3. Short. Misterioso. Guard number 15. Fire is not good. Abog to intake. Fires too strong. Long pass to number 23. Using the glass. Not good. Abog push that 3. Short. Inbound of intake. Intake to Vicente. Vicente back to intake. Mr. Yoto. Not good. Rebound of Rica Frente to Abog. Abog to intake.
Ikaw lang yun. Number 8 yun.
Padilla.
Alalay lang, Kap!
8 seconds violation. Sub coming. Abog to Agag. Short rebound of Kayapan. Kayapan to Carmel. Carmel drive, not good. Rebound. Sarmiento, not good. Abog, magic pass for nothing. Warning for penalty, All-Star. Calvo, push that 3. Rebound of Big Mac, madali. Big Mac, wala.
Ulitat! Tabla! Hola, tabla!
Time out, All-Star.
3, 2, 1. Wala na!
First attempt, not good. 2 free throw plus ball position. Rep time out yung ano
Tapos
eh.
penalty. Dalawa pa, di ba?
Again, time out All-Star. Sub coming. Magbunga out. Walang bungain.
Lapit ka dito, bagay!
Padilla, that's good. Rebound of Bagan. Enters in number 23. Number 23 to clear. Using the glass short, but there's a reason. Oh, Guevara. Clear from the first attempt, coming for 1. Third team foul. Almighty Cougars. Second attempt. Perfect 2. Abo. Blocking foul committed by Baka.
Oh!
First attempt, not good.
Kaya ng Daryl to.
Sino lagyan ng 2 points?
Bakay! Babato!
Mata to clear. Fires not good. Clear again. Sayang. Warning for penalty.
To! Dito sa baba! O, yan na!
Abog. Abog nagmamadali. At nabitawan. To Manta. Manta to Padilla. Padilla using the glass. Not good. Rebound. Sinundot pa. Guevara. Good for 2. Intercept of Abog. Abog to Guevara again. Guevara using glass. Connect for 2.
Lapit dito! Lapit!
Bakay. Bakay to clear. Clear, not good. Agawang buko. Abog. Lays up to strong. strong. To Mata. Mata na magmadali. Lays up. But there's a whistle.
Dalawa pa lang.
First attempt. Second attempt. Not good again. Rebound of Vergara. Vergara to Calvo. Lamok.
Nice.
Are in penalty situation.
Uy, mati-technical kayo dyan. Maniwala kayo.
2. 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Kayapan to Prayer.
Hawak, hawak, hawak!
Prayer halasan Mabunga. To number 9. To Manta. Manta fly. Bang! Go for 2.
Harap, harap!
Number 7. Number 7. Fires. Not good. Rebound of Kayapan. Kayapan to Manta. Manta to Big Man. Big Man looking for line. Intercept number 7. Number 7. Using the glass. Not good. Rebound of Manta.
Diretso, diretso!
Manta to number 9. Number 9 using the glass. In and out. Rebound Vergara. Gibara.
Kayo po mag-insist na kayo po mag-assist. Kaya alam po namin kayo ng table official para kung naghihingi mo ng sabon tayo mag-play. Oh, late na ako! Late na kami!
Tabla, tabla! Sunod na sa bando na lang! Warning din to ah!
Tira mo pa penalty. Balikan mo pa, pre.
Cabo fires. Not good.
Sige, sige!
No, was number 9.
Okay, okay, baba, baba!
Number 7 is now controlling the ball. So Gibara, Gibara, push that 3. Oh. Let's begin. Number 7 to Abog. Abog fires. Not good. Rebound number 27 rejected. Rebound of Clear to Kababay. Kababay to number 9. Back to Kababay to number 4. Number 4 to Clear. Clear drives. Going for 2. Balinor jump. Too strong. Number 9. Communication. Magic shot, not good. Kababay. Tangina, dumi ko pa.
Oh!
Rebound Padilla.
Baba rin, baba! Foul!
Approaching foul committed by Abo. Penalty. Kababay. First attempt, 24-1. Fine. After big 2.
Buka, buka, ah, buka!
Abog. 5 seconds to shoot. Padilla to Clear.
Baba, baba!
To Acopio. Number 16. Fires to Strong. Sino yan? Hindi ko na makita. 2 minutes remaining.
Uy!
foul.
Baba! Ayun na!
To Abog. Abog, magic shot, not good. Rebound of number 9.
Oh!
To Clear. Clear to Kababay. To Baliga, follows up, so strong.
Sa likod!
Magduma using the glass, not good. Wow. Stop coming.
Baba!
Stop coming.
Toss! Boom!
Dagangan to Acopio. Acopio looking for an open man. Enter save number 4.
Baba!
Kababay to Padilla.
Lapit!
Padilla looking for an open man. Pass back to Kababay. Kababay guard of Dagangan to number 04. Using the glass, connect for 2. Padilla for 2.
Harap! Ole!
Agag to Dagangan. Dagangan push that to connect for 2. Kababay. 47 seconds remaining. Agawang Boko. Hellball. Step ball. 40 seconds remaining. 84-66. In favor of All-Star. Thirty-seven seconds remaining.
Cyril!
37 seconds remaining. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 6. Shoot.
Ang lakas na!
Ginulat mo naman, ma'am. Rebound number 77. No more shot clock. 20 seconds remaining. 0-4. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining.
Oh!
5 seconds remaining. 2. Number 24. So number 7. Number 7 to Vicente. Vicente, magic shot. But there's the result. Foul committed by number 24, the big man. Big boy got first personal foul. Vicente from the 15-foot line. First attempt. Sorry. Second attempt. Not good again. Rebound of Sarmiento.
Bigay mo!
Sarmiento.
Wala. Relax lang, relax.
Buhat ng spine board. Sa gilid. Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Sige, bitawan! Dito!
Came back to the bogey.
Manta, bula, manta!
Padilla. Got on intake.
Graduate!
Congratulations, Indik. Oh, alas 7 na po ah. Yung papasok, pumasok na. Push the tree, not good. Still on Vicente. Vicente fires, connect for 2.
Dikit! Oy, kuha bula!
Sarmento. Fake. Fires. Follows up, connect for 2.
Nice, Jake!
Vicente, intercept from McMick.
Hawak, Bong! Bong, relax ang Bong, relax!
Ito yung maalala ito mga to. JB now. Sa ilalim. Di ba na yung maalala ito eh. Taljik. Carmel. Tumikmik. Tumanda. Back to Mikmik. Layup. Easy shot yan.
Nice!
Pinasakay ko!
Orap!
Carmel. Bola. Pass to Mikmik. Layup. Yes sir. 2 points again to Mikmik.
Harap lang, harap!
Offset. Try to 3. Rebound ni Padilla. Padilla to Mikmik again. Layup na naman. Sablay. Rebound ni Yusok. Pass Almon. Haras to Yusok now.
Oh, relax! Kuha bula!
Sarmiento.
Yung oras natin, yung oras oh!
Uy.
Check, sigurado din! Kuha bula!
Tumikmik. To Padillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Padilla, Tumagasa.
O, baba!
JV. Sumalaksak. Lumayap. Rebound ako. Outside ako. Technical. Technical, go.
Nice! Nice rep!
Pinis na mata ng ating referee. 1 free throw lang ang rep.
Isa kasi sa inyong pumasok bigla. Yung ano doon
Bolo siya.
Hindi, tama naman yun eh. Dalawang kapalit yan eh.
Okay. First throw. Bolo siya. Para Mikmik.
Dapat pala pumasok yung isa sa atin para... Oh, sigurado!
4 position tayo.
Lamang kayo ha, hindi masyadong madali.
Si Padilla.
Mek!
Padilla.
Lapit sa bula, Mek!
Nagharap na papapasahan. Supreme. Sumalaksa. Leo, isi siya dyan.
Nice, Bong! Harap!
Abu. Naras ni Mata. Abu. Boss Paul, Mr. Referee. 22. Sarmiento. Third personal foul, Sarmiento. Third.
Mek!
Margie, first throw.
Market 1.
Gamit kayo ng oras,
Basket 1. Pasok.
Second throw.
Complete.
Padilla. Inbound by Padilla. To clear. Agawa buko sa ilalim. Nakuha ni Calvo. Who's foul, Mr. Referee? Abu. To Agag. Agag try to 3. Rebound ni Padilla. Padilla to Manta. Manta. Nagsiset ng bola. Nagharap pa pagpasaan. Foul. Traveling. Violation. Manta. Oras natin. 6 minutes and 56 seconds. 6 minutes and 56 seconds. Inbound by Agag to Abu. Abu.
Harap lang.
Try to 3. Yes, 3 for Abu. Mata. To Carmel. Set. By Carmel.
Babamik. Lapit dulo, lapit sa bulaw.
To Cristo. To Mekmek. To Carmel. 10 seconds to shoot. Mata. Good up. Rebound by Michael. Foul.
Nice, Red. Nice, foul.
Warning for penalty. Ay. Warning for graduation, Christopher Ray. Backward violation.
Sa inyo mula. Nice.
Oras natin, 6 minutes and 24 seconds. 6 minutes and 24 seconds.
Pasok.
Score, 95-75 in favor of All-Star selection. Padilla, sumagasa sa ilalim. Black League Gibiara.
Utao.
Abog to Agag. Easy shot by Agag. Inbound by to Kriel. Dumerecho. Shoot foul, Mr. Referee.
Relax bong.
Oras natin, 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Second round.
Nice.
Shot.
Baba. Harap.
Nagmamadali. Rebound ni Padilla. Nagmamadali. Pass to Manta. Uli ni Abu.
Baba.
Pass to Calvo. Aras by Ray.
Nice.
Last touch. Nakuha ni Guevara. To Ricafer. Bala. Nakuha ni Calvo. Easy shot sa ilalim ni Calvo. Inbound ni Manta. Pass to Kababay. To Kriel.
Awak.
Naharas ni Calvo. Rebound ni JB. To Abu. Abu nagmamadali. To Marky. Shot by Marky.
Lapit sa
Rito.
bola, lapit kayo.
Naharas ni Calvo. Foul. Who's foul, Mr. Referee? Abu, number 14. Warning for graduation. Time out, Mr. Referee. To Mekmek. Mag-dribble. Nagkaroon na papasahan. Set. Now, sabi ni Mekmek. Back to Bogi. To sentro. Tumira. Dribble ni Abu.
Oh, good. Bigay.
Calvo. May contact ball tayo. Sino foul?
Nice.
Mekmek. First to Calvo. Gosh.
Mick. Kapitan, gulatin mo sila.
Gulatin mo sila. Sa second row mo. Shot yan.
Lapit sa bola,
Oras
lapit.
natin, 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Last shot. Same ball. 82-96 in favor of All-Star selection.
Boom.
Inbound si Boki. Boki to Mikmik. Nagmamadali. Mikmik. To Siren. Siren to Rayton. To Boki. Back to Siren.
Kalat.
10 seconds to shoot. Siren to Ray. Try to 3. Rebound ni...
Baba. Ayan na.
Nagmamadali. Naharas ni Kapitan. All-Star ball. Oras natin 4 minutes and 21 seconds. 4 minutes and 21 seconds. Mig, nagmamadali. Inaharas ni Calvo.
Oh.
Sabi ng mga kasama. Pass to Rayton. Back to Mikmik. Kay Serpo. Boki. 10 seconds to shoot. Right up. Nice layup ni Ray.
Babare! Oh!
Abog nagpapadali. Foul. Clear, number 77. Square. Second throw. Short. Rebounding clear. To right top. To Cyril. To Mikmik. Binanda. Easy shot. Abog. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Abog to Agag. Try to 3. Rebounding clear.
Oh, nice.
Mikmik.
Antay tao.
Mamadali. To Boki. Lost pass. Nakuha ni
Oh,
Abog.
baba!
Abog nagpapadali. Lumayap. Easy shot yan kay Mr. Abog. Last touch.
Nick!
Table.
Baba! Ay, nako!
Nakuha ni Rito Pambola. To Cyril. Cyril lumayap. Easy 2 points by Cyril. Oras natin. Last 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Abog. Abog na. Nagpapadali na naman. Tumira ng dos. Rebound by Rito. Pass to Mikmik. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. To Rito. To Barsaga. Ay, wala. Rito. 10 seconds to shoot.
Tira!
Rito. Try to 3. Rebound by Boki.
Ukwa, Bip!
Pinapas ni Boki ang bola.
Ray, balik!
Substitution, Mr. Referee. Substitution. Sige, pasok ko lang. Gusto pumasok. Labas ang lalabas. Shoutout muna kay Camille. Okay. Last 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Sir Boki. Pass to Cyril sa 3. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Pasok na. Pasok na lahat, pasok na.
Oh!
Nagmamadali. Black by Padilla. 5 seconds. Shot. Second throw. Perfect shot ni Abog. Carmel to Cyril. To Clear.
Hawak mo!
To
Lax!
Mikmik. To Padilla.
Lapitan nyo lapitan nyo! Lapit!
10 seconds to shoot. Clear. To Soberwood. Rebound ngayon. Padilla. Nakuha ni Padilla. Layup. Wala. Nakuha ni Calvo. To Agag. Try to 3. Wala. Rebound ni Cyril. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Clear. To Kapitan. Padilla. 10 seconds to shoot. Man. Try to 3. Wala. Rebound ni Agag. Easy shot ni Agag.
Oh!
1 minute and 17 seconds. Toto. Easy shot.
Oh, taas lang!
To Calvo. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Gulatin mo sila, Kap.
10 seconds to shoot.
Oh, 3 pa, oh.
Last 50 seconds. Calvo.
Ending!
Ending daw, ending na lang. Tres, ang ending.
Hey, ice skate ba?
Last 35 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Don't mo shot ka.
I-shot mo na!
John Luis.
Nice!